Hello and welcome to a tutorial to the Walkie Talkie. To set up the Walkie Talkie system you only need two things, one being a 9-volt battery and the other being a Walkie Talkie. Just click and drag it to attach it. Once you've done that you can turn it on. Once it's turned on you can scale to the next frequency, or you can go to the previous frequency. The maximum frequency that you can get is 102.5 and the minimum is 87.8. The default one is 87.8, so I'll stick on that one because you've got a better chance of people walking around with the default one. Having it turned on, you can actually listen to people's conversations and communicate to other people at longer distances than just direct communication. To do so, once you've done it, you just have to change from direct communication to the FM that you've selected. If you look in the bottom left hand corner, I'm actually changing between direct communication and 87.8 FM. Once I've done that, it's just a standard system of communicating, so I'll just make a quick communication to see if actually anyone on the server has a working walkie-talkie and is on that frequency. Is anybody on this walkie-talkie on this frequency? Can anyone actually hear me? It's very rare that you'll have people talk back. Only clans and stuff like that really use walkie-talkies and friends. Most people opt for a event system or out of game chat system, so it's pretty rare that you'll come across people, but it is interesting when you do listen to people and you can listen into their communications and see what they're getting up to. One thing to keep in mind, when you do communicate across a walkie-talkie and using that frequency, it still broadcasts it in your vicinity. So if you're using this in the city and there's people around, they can hear you using your walkie-talkie even though you're talking on FM. And the same works for chat as well, so if I get it back on the FM and see if anyone can reply to that. So you can either use voice comms or chat using the walkie-talkie and it will do the same, but keep in mind that it does have a small vicinity chat as well, so anyone near you can hear what you're doing even though you're using a radio. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the radio. I'm sure there's going to be more implications with the radio itself, such as maybe a certain range or limitations that the communications you can do with it. But for now, that's all you need to know about the walkie-talkie. If it's been useful, be sure to thumbs up and stay tuned for more.